Hello there and welcome to my video on testing access to a folder. So we are on the 412 Windows 8 machine, and what we're going to go ahead and do is navigate to the Ethernet interface of this. So give me one second here. Go ahead and navigate there. We're going to go down to Properties, and we're going to go ahead and go to IPv4 Properties. And we already have it set for using the DNS server of 412 server 1's IP. So we're going to go ahead and go to OK. Okay, hold on one second here. Alright, now that we've verified that it is on, it has 412 server 1 as the preferred DNS server, we're going to go ahead and click it to the domain. So we're going to go ahead and, sorry, not click it, we're going to add it to the domain. So we're going to right click Start, go to System. And then once we're in the system, we're going to go change settings next to computer name. And within there, we're going to click that. We're going to click it to domain, and the domain we want it to join, of course, is going to be 412 dom1.local. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. It's going to give us a message saying welcome to the domain after we log in. So I'm going to do administrator and our password. It's going to take a second there. Just bear with me one second. It takes a second sometimes to contact the other server. I'm going to go ahead and give a quick pause while it goes ahead and does that. Alright, we're back, and as you can see by that box there, we have welcome to the local domain. So, I'm going to go ahead and click OK. I'm going to go ahead and click OK one more time. Click close, and then we're going to go ahead and restart now. I'm going to go ahead and put a pause on the video real quick while it restarts, and I'll be right back with you. Alright, we are back, so we're going to go ahead and log in, but we're going to click back arrow. We're not going to log in as Win8 user. We're going to do other user. And we're going to log in as the accounting one that I created in another activity. Alright, so we're logging in here. And once we're logged in, we're going to go ahead and open up a command prompt. Okay, since it's the first time logging in with this user, it has to set things up for me, so just bear with me a second as it sets those up. Alright, just going through this installing the apps phase. I'm going to go ahead and put you on a quick pause while I wait for this to finish starting up. Alright, after what seems like an eternity, we are logged in. So what we need to do now is go ahead and right-click Start. Right-click Start here, and we're going to open up a command prompt. It's always a good idea to open it as admin, just in case. Well, no, sorry. We don't necessarily need admin privileges. So we're going to open up the command prompt, and we're going to type in the command whoami // claims. And what that does is it just shows us what claims we have, what claims my user is presenting to the Kerberos for authorization. And as you can see here, we have the accounting value because I'm on the accounting account. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and close out of the command prompt. We're going to go ahead and right click, go to run. I'm going to do 2// 412 server 1, and that's going to bring us to the root of the C drive. Okay, hold on 1 second here. Oh, it's 2 backslashes, that's probably why. Because it should open up the root of the C drive for us. Alright, so you can see our marketing share and our doc share that we created on a previous one. We're going to go ahead and try to access marketing. But you cannot. You do not have permission to access marketing. Contact your network administrator to request access. The reason we can't access it is I set permissions on there that only people who belong to the marketing department are allowed to access that resource. So we're going to go ahead and close out of here, close out of there. We're going to log off. Oh, sorry, we're going to sign out. And this time we're going to sign in as marketing 1. I'm going to click the other user. We're going to do marketing 1, enter our password. Okay, and hopefully it doesn't have, okay, it's going to have to set up for this one as well. So I'm going to go ahead and pause it real quick while it sets that up. I'll be right back with you when we get logged in. Alright, we are logged in with our marketing 1 account. So we're going to do the same thing we did last time. We're going to go ahead and check our claims by right clicking, going into the command prompt saying who am I / claims. And in this one you can see since I set the attribute, I belong to marketing department and the job title is manager. So we're going to go ahead and close that out. Right click start, go to run, do / 412 server 1. And then this time we are going to attempt to access the marketing. And in there we can see our low confidential file. And the reasoning we can only see that is because for the marketing 1 account we have it so you can see anything that doesn't have a high confidentiality. To view the high confidentiality, you have to be an executive. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open up low confidential, and we're going to try to edit it and save something to it. So we're going to type test characters, and then we're going to attempt to save as. Sorry, we're going to attempt to save it, sorry. Need to stop clicking that. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and just resave it as low confidential. And as soon as I hit save, we want to replace it, yes. Access is denied because the marketing 1 account does not have read-write permissions. Or does not have write permissions, only read. So we're going to go ahead and click OK. Click out of there. Not going to save those changes. So we're going to log off one more time. And this time we're going to log in as Executive 1. So we're signed out. Go to other user, and this time Executive 1. And then once we get logged on with Executive 1, I'm going to go to that same place I did with the other 2 accounts, but this time I should be able to see the low confidential and the high confidential files, and I should be able to open them up, write some characters in it, and save it with no problem since I am using an executive level account. And just to show you, once I get logged in, I'm going to go ahead and show you the Who Am I for the Executive One account. So hopefully this isn't going to take as long as the last two logging in. So just bear with me while it logs in. I'm going to go ahead and put you on a quick pause while it logs in. Alright, we are logged in as the executive account. Even though it doesn't call for this in the book, I just want to do it to show you guys the Who Am I for this. So we're going to do Who Am I /claims. And you can see this. My department is listed as marketing, like the first one, but my job title this time is executive, which means I should have read, write, and modify privileges on those two files. So we're going to do /412 server 1. Okay, and we're going to open up the marketing share. And we do see both of the files. Let's see if we can edit them. So test as this one. We're going to go ahead and click File Save or Save As just to verify. Yes, we want to replace it. That's closed. Going to open up High Confidential, do the same thing. Click Save As, Save, Rewrite, OK, and let's make sure that they went ahead and saved. Yes, they did. On Low Confidential and on High Confidential, it saved as well. Alright, well that concludes my video on testing access to a folder after you've set some group policies in place. I hope you found this educational. I hope you learned something, and I hope you have yourself a great day.